So, hello learners, how are you all? I think you all are fine and doing great and amazing things in your life. So, today I am here with another topic, which is we are going to start a 30-day English speaking challenge. So, it is a announcement, and this is a great movement for we all, that we are going to start a 30-day English speaking challenge, where we are going to talk everything about English speaking, every types of challenges we are facing, why we are struggling to speak English, we are not comfortable, why we are not comfortable. So every aspects of English speaking we are going to discuss and talk about that particular thing. So keep watching, keep learning, and be connected. And we are going to discuss and learn lot of things about English speaking related. So I will also share some techniques, how we can learn English, how we can speak English, how we can be comfortable with English language. So techniques means what are the things, what are the techniques, how we can improve. So I am going to share, and we are also going to talk about pronunciation, because it's play a very big role in our English speaking journey. So we also talk about pronunciation, and we also talk about story, how we create story, and in story how people talk or communicate to each others. And we also talk about from the alphabet and letters, because most of the time people mistake in alphabet and letters. So there is a difference between them. Alphabet means A to Z. There are 26 alphabet. So then alphabet means A to 6, and letters mean A, it is a letter, B, C, D, all these are the letters, and there are 26 letters in English. So we are also going to talk about letters, and just we are going to mimic, we have to imitate and mimic. If we are going to learn and discuss about English speaking, so we have to just listen to any English speakers, and we have to mimic, like we have to repeat what he is saying. I have to repeat and just follow his sentences. So I'm going to share a story. When I was studying in Alig Muslim University, I was doing my BA graduation. So there was a student, and he was taking a presentation in a session. So when I listen his English speaking, the way of speaking, so I inspired a lot, and I say yes, wow, what an amazing presentation or he address to the audience. So just I think how he improve his English speaking. So I was thinking, then he just tell his thing, that how I improve myself. So he just said that just I was listening to the speakers, and just I repeat them, I mimic them, I listen a lot and I mimic them, I imitate them, how they are speaking, and gradually I started speaking like them. So the secret he shared, that I think yes, it's a very important point. If I will apply, if someone is speaking in a good way, so just I have to listen them, and I have to repeat and imitate the same sentences. So gradually if I will do like this, I'm going to automatically become a good speaker, or become fluent in that field. So that was the secret which I have to follow. So so this was the announcement where I'm going to share everything, whatever the things I am going to learn, I'm going to share with you all, from the letter from alphabet to pronunciation, sentences, everything. How many things are required to speak English, to become comfortable in English speaking, I am going to share with you all. So be connected, keep learning, keep growing, and be 1% better every day. So thank you for today. We will meet in another video.